Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day. Today we're working on look number 3 using the BhCosmetics Naughty palette. I love this palette if you can't tell already. All I want to do is use this palette in my makeup. While doing my makeup, I love this palette. So today we're working on this beautiful cranberry kind of look. It plays with kind of pinkish reds, and I'm loving how this came out. I think it's perfect. Beautiful look for the holidays, and I think it's named correctly, Cranberry Glam. So let's get started. First off, I have primed my lids with the Maybelline Mascara Prime. I actually really like this primer, and I use the AOA Studio loose powder and soft light to catch my fallout, which will be a bit of fallout with this look, especially using these cranberry red kind of shades and the pinks. And the first shade I'm picking up is called Santa Baby, and I'm placing that in the crease, and I'm taking that on a fluffy blending brush. And this brush is from Profusion, and it's double-ended. It came with one of their palettes, and surprisingly, for a free brush that came with a palette, it's actually really nice quality. So I kept it around and I use it quite a bit. And I'm just going to blend that in the crease. I sped this up quite a bit just because I'm just placing some shade here, building it up a little bit, and diffusing it up towards the brow bone. And I'm holding my brush in the kind of in the middle, but also towards the end. I could have more control placing that, and I'll have more control with my hand there, so that's where I'm holding the brush. And next up in the palette, I am going to be picking up Brick. This I'm taking on a pencil brush. It's more like a tapered out pointed end of a pencil brush, or style brush I should say, and it's from AOA Studio, and the hand placement is different here. And I always want to mention this, so if you recreate this look, it's a little bit easier to recreate looks when you know exactly where to place your hand, where you're placing the eyeshadows, what kind of eyeshadow you're using, so on and so forth. So this pencil brush, I am using this as a precision brush, and I want precise placement, so I'm going to be placing that in the inner corner, outer corner, and slightly bringing it into the crease, and I'm patting that in the inner and outer corner to build up the shade. And whenever you see me bring the brush back forth in front of the camera, or in the video, that means I picked up more product. Even if I didn't show the eyeshadow again, I just want you to know. And here I'm going to go between Santa Baby and Brick and slightly blend those together using that pencil brush. And I'm also going to be picking up, anytime you also see me tap off the brush in front of the camera, I picked up more eyeshadows. And this shade here is called Spiked Cider, and it is absolutely stunning. This whole look is in the same kind of color family. It's very monochromatic, but I love how it turned out. If you have green eyes and you recreate this look with using this palette or anything that you already own, your green eyes are really going to pop. They're going to bam in your face, because this red pinkish kind of look complements your green eyes, and it's going to look fantastic. So I'm just going to place that Spiked Cider shade in the center of my lid. I'm not using any brushes for that. You saw me use my finger, and now I'm going to go in with more Brick, and I'm blending that into the shade in the inner and outer corner with the lid, center lid shade. Now Brick is also going on the lower lash line, and I'm just going to smudge that in really good and connect that with the outer edge. Now the next shade I'm taking is Meringue, and I always use this for my highlight. Very beautiful basic vanilla shade. It's matte, and everything in this look is mostly matte except for a couple shimmery elements, and I think it just turned out really nicely. So I'll place that under the brow, and I blend it around the crease line. You'll see me blend that around the edges of the look, and then you'll also see me go back in with the blending brush that has Santa Baby on it. No additional shade, just buff the crease shade in with the brow bone. And I did not show it on camera, but I did pick up Snow Day and I placed it in the center under the brow, the highest point of the brow, and I'm blending that in with Meringue and everything. I know I don't like shimmery highlights usually, but blended in with a matte is perfect. I also took Snow Day and placed it in the inner corner of the eye to bring more light there. I debated on this step, but I just really love this shade Snow Day, so I did it anyways. Do whatever you want, but do a Lash Adhesive and Ioni false lashes in Wispy Spikey. They came from the Dollar Tree. They're amazing. You should definitely check them out. And when I first got these lashes, I've said this almost every time I wore them, I was afraid of these lashes. They were very long and dramatic, but I'm obsessed with these lashes now. I'm surprised. Like, I really love them. These Dollar Tree lashes are amazing quality if you can get your hands on these Ioni lashes. And you'll see me once the glue is dried, I will press my lashes in with them using an eyelash curler. Only do this when the glue is dry. I'm going to tightline using Believe Beauty's Long Lasting Eyeliner in Caviar, and this is to the mascara I'm using is Makeup Revolution, a blowout mascara, and I'm using that to mesh my real lashes with the false lashes. You don't have to do that step, it's just completely optional. And this eyeliner from Santee, I got it from Shop Miss A. It's in pink. It's just a gel eyeliner for $1. Amazing. I bought 8 of them in different various colors, and I've used this pink shade most. Now from Loreal, this is their Burgundy mascara, and I thought it would be nice to put a colorful mascara on the lower lash line, and I think it turned out well. I've been doing that a lot with looks. So beautiful. And for lips, I have the AOA Studio lip liner in Vintage on, and on top of that, the Mega Last liquid catsuit liquid lipstick from WetnWild. What a mouthful, behind the Bleachers. I applied that off camera. I already had it on. I love these Mega Last lipsticks. They're amazing. So that's our look. I think this is perfect for the holiday season, and it's absolutely Cranberry glam, and I love it. I hope you guys loved the tutorial too, found it helpful, and will try the look out for yourself. Let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to check the description box out for additional links, as well as the product list and what's on my nails. I thank you guys so very much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. I hope you all are having a wonderful holiday season so far.